India is about to build one of the world's most advanced combat drones. Not just for itself, but potentially for the entire world. This isn't just a defense deal, it's a historic tech transfer from the US that could change India's position on the global stage. Let's break it down.
Auto-dub is on. Check the track list under the settings icon to select your preferred language.
In late 2025, a massive defense and tech milestone was announced. India is now set to build and manufacture VBAT drones, elite US origin combat drones, right here on Indian soil. The breakthrough comes from a landmark deal between Shield AI, an American defense tech company, and JSW Defence from India. Together, they are forming a joint venture that goes far beyond just importing drones. This deal includes a full transfer of advanced drone technology so that India can manufacture them independently. Yes, you heard that right, a rare full tech transfer from the United States, giving India the power to mass produce these next-gen combat drones within our own borders. So, what exactly is this VBAT drone that has everyone excited? It's a Group 3 UAV, small, stealthy and lethal. Uses vertical takeoff and landing VTOL, no runway needed. It combines helicopter-like agility with fixed-wing endurance. And yes, it's packed with AI-driven surveillance and strike capability. Used by the Marine Corps, tested in combat zones like Ukraine, and now soon to be made in India. These drones are perfect for Indian conditions, from mountain warfare in Ladakh to naval surveillance in the Indian Ocean to border defense in the Northeast. This isn't just another defense purchase, this is a game-changing tech partnership. For decades, India relied on foreign military imports. But now, with this Shield AI deal, we are building cutting-edge defense tech in India with full American support. Here's what's historic. $90 million investment in Indian drone infrastructure. First time the US is allowing deep tech transfer in this domain. Local production begins as early as 2027. This fits directly into India's Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India missions, turning us from a buyer to a global drone supplier. Let's be real, the world is changing. China is pushing drones into Pakistan. Turkey is exporting to conflict zones. But now, India rises as a drone tech power with global ambitions. These drones can guard our borders, monitor the oceans, assist in disaster response, and even deter hostile forces before they act. With VBAT, India gets autonomy in its defense choices and no longer depends on last-minute imports during wartime. If you think this is only about the military, think again. This deal will create high-skill jobs in India, spark AI and robotics innovation, build export potential for Indian defense startups. Imagine a future where the world's most advanced drones don't say made in USA but proudly say made in India. And they're flown by Indian hands, built with Indian minds. And here's a mind-bending thought. If this is what we are building today, what's coming tomorrow? We have already seen Neuralink let a paralyzed woman control a computer with her thoughts. Now imagine brain-controlled drones, operated not by joystick but by pure intent. No lag, no middleman, just thought to action in real time. It might sound like science fiction, but India just took its first step towards that future. Because once we build the tech, we can lead the evolution. This is more than just a drone deal. This is a tech breakthrough, a strategic masterstroke, and a moment of national pride. India is not just preparing for tomorrow, we are building the tools that shape it. What do you think? Will this partnership elevate India to the ranks of global tech powers like the US and China? Drop your thoughts below. And if you believe in India's tech future, hit that like, subscribe, and share this with a fellow patriot. This is Tech Insight Daily, your front row seat to India's tech transformation.
Welcome to Tech Insight Daily. Your support means the world to us. Help us grow by sharing and subscribing. No need for Patreon or buying us a coffee. A heartfelt shout out to our incredible subscribers. You're the backbone of our community.
Stay connected, tech enthusiasts, in this ever-evolving world of technology.